So hello everyone, welcome to happymath.com. So this is the second time to discuss about binomial probability. So please look at this example. So 28% of college students say they use credit cards because of the reward program. You randomly select 10 college students and ask why they use credit cards and find the probability that the number of college students who say they use credit card because of the rewarding program is A exactly 2, B more than 2, and C between 2 and 5 inclusive. Okay. So, unlike previous questions, this time we have the probability value already, so you don't have to find p-value separately. Okay, so now n equal to 10 and p equal to 0.28, right? So 28%. Okay, then now based on that we can find q equal to 1 minus p-value. Alright, then we are almost ready. So now x value, x must become 0 through 10. So 0, 1, 2. I'm going to copy until 10. Okay, and now px value. Okay, so this one. So equal to binomial. So distribution. Oh, so before that I better make this is a little wider. So okay, equal to binomial distribution, and then click this number, comma total 10, comma probability 0.28, comma false, enter. And the reason we choose a false because that probability is a true probability for so using the reward program. So then now this first representing counter probability value basically. Okay, then now go back and then copy down until the 10 here. Okay, then just make a little bit bigger. Okay, then now a exactly 2, so probability exactly 2, that means this value, right? Now probability more than 2, so more than 2 means you should be 3 2 until the end basically. So you can make a sum, open the parentheses, and then 3 to 10 basically. And now see probability between 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, so these questions, so basically 2 and 5, so you can make 2, 3, 4, and 5 basically. So go to sum and then open the parentheses and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's the answer for this question basically. Okay, so let's look at one more example. 30% of male students studying nursing major at an urban community college. You randomly select 8 students to ask their major. So find the probability that the students respond studying nursing major. A exactly 4 students, B at least 5 students, and C less than 5 students anyway. Okay, so now we can also organize it as a n. Total n becomes 8 this time, and probability value becomes 30%, so 0.30. So q that equal to 1 minus p value here. Okay, and now you are making x must be between 0 through 8 this time. So 0, 1, 2, no, 0, 1, 2, and then keep going until show the 8, and now px becomes binomial and click this number, comma, total trial become 8, comma, probability 0.3, comma, you choose false. Okay, enter. Then now you copy this down to the 8. Okay, alright, then now, so A, exactly 4 students. So probability exactly 4 student must be equal to this value. Now probability at least 5. So this means at least 5 means 5 or bigger. So you combine 5, 6, and 7, 8. So sum, open the parentheses, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now probability less than 5, which means from 0 through 4. Okay, so now equal to sum, open the parentheses, you can do 0 through 4 like that. Okay, so those are the answer for this problem basically. Okay, so far we talk about binomial probability through 2 different videos. I hope these lessons help you to understand about the binomial probability, and then I will see you again with a different video. Alright, thank you, bye.